Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to cut audio in Instagram Reels. First of all, open up the Instagram app on your phone. Once you are in your account, tap on your Stories section. Now, from the Stories section, choose the Reels option. After selecting the Reel option, tap on the audio icon from the navigator bar. Then, select any of the songs from the given options. You can cut the parts of the audio on songs that you don't want in your reel. Choose the part you want to keep. After selecting the desired part, tap on Done in the top right corner. Then you need to upload the video you want to make a reel of. Now you can edit the video length according to your selected audio. After that, cut the audio part you want in your reel. While creating your reel, Instagram allows you to trim or adjust the length of the video clips. Use the trimming tool to fit your video to the desired length. Once you are satisfied with both the video and the audio, you can share it. And that's pretty much it. If you guys enjoyed this video, like it and share your comments or questions down below.